So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. Starting at the top, we give you a new adjustable 90. The other water heater, it came straight down, was kind of crooked and everything. So just a little offset right here, and then existing pipe up to your sealing bucket. Over on this side, they had a gate valve, and the nipple was corroding, so leaking. And that's probably what happened. Is it rolls, water drips, and then it rolls down the sleeve, and then it ends up in the bottom of where the burner assembly's at, and destroys the water heater. So this adapter was on there already. It was a iron IPS ball gate valve, and so now we've got a ball valve here. So that's just quarter turn off, quarter turn on, and then in front of that a brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connector. These are 3/4 inch inside diameter, the largest in the industry, super flexible, down to a brass extension. Hot side, we soldered it had a connector on there that was soldered on and then corrugated down to the tank. So we took it off and put a new copper adapter on there. So we soldered that one on. And then a Falcon stainless steel connector down to the brass extension. Relief valve comes with the unit. Temperature and our pressure safety relief. And so anything builds up to a certain extent, I think 150 psi, or I can't remember the temperature that it goes to. This will pop off and drain out this line down into the back patio area. Upper third, we have adjustable straps. Lower third, adjustable straps. A brand new gas valve. A brand new gas connector, of course, over to the controller. Right now, you are set at hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. You can see their scalding risk increases with hotter water. So hot 120, A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. At B140, you get third-degree burns in 3 seconds. If you're infant or elderly with thin skin, 1 second you're going to the hospital. So be mindful of that if you feel you need to turn it up. EPA recommends 120. CDC recommends 140 to prevent virus from growing in the storage tank. If you do turn it up to B, just be mindful in the home. And then, of course, down at the bottom, we give you some OSB board. The stand wasn't in bad shape at all. I think a lot of the damage was on the wall and then surrounding, but there's no mold down here. Up there, I believe the damage was from that dripping. It dripping down the tank and then it had a big blanket on here, so it just followed the tank down. And you can see some of the residual water left over down here. So anyways, you'll have hot water in about an hour. And there is your model number, serial number. You can go to bradfordwhite.com. Hit the register button, give them your contact information, give them the serial number. They'll get your warranty going on the product. Everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.